Hello and welcome to another video on our multiplayer course. In this video we will make the rotation correction for the projectile when it spawns. But before we do this, let me make some improvements or some changes because there's some things I noticed during testing, that the projectile sometimes does not register a hit, so it's better to look for this CCD first. Choose the box collision and choose the CCD, make it true. This one will give us more accurate collision. Also, let's increase the size of the projectile, make it maybe 50 by 30 and 30. The larger the collision box, the more accurate results it gives us. Also, let's increase the size of the mesh, maybe make it 0.5, change its position, I think this is enough, maybe slightly above, like this, maybe here. I think this, no, this is enough. Now also let's go to the tank mesh. Where's the tank mesh? And go to the physics asset, choose all the bodies, and also look for the CCD. This will give us accurate hits and will always register a hit. Now let's start by making our rotation correction. Let's start by making a function here in the functions. Let's call it projectile rotation correction. Let's make a new output, create an output which is the rotator for projectile rotation. Now let's start by making a line trace from the camera and forward, maybe for 10,000 units or 5,000 units. For me, I prefer the farther the line trace, the more accurate it is. So let's look for the line trace by channel, and change the draw debug for duration. And here let's start with the start vector. Look for the camera, get world location, and connect it to the start. For the end, we'll need the forward vector, which we will get from either we get forward vector directly, or we get the rotation then the forward vector, but they are the same. Multiply the forward vector by the units that we want. First change it to float, like I said, 10,000, then add it to the start location and put it here in the end. Now here let's break the hit result. Also branch, here according to the hit result, if it hits something or not. If it hits something, we will find the rotation that is looking at the impact point of the line trace. But if it doesn't hit, we will look for the trace end. So if, we'll start by calculating the rotation when it hits something. Let's look for find look at rotation. Connect this output to the return to the projectile rotation. Then the start vector will be the muzzle socket of the gun. Let's get it from the mesh and get socket location. Put it here. And let's get the socket name, muzzle socket, this one. For the target, well, we can get rid of this branch and use another thing which is called a select. Here let's find select vector and put it here and connect to the target. Now for the it is true for the A, which is will be true, or choose the location, the hit location, and for the false, which is the B, we choose the trace end. Now let's go and implement the function here. Projectile rotation. Here before we check for the ammo, let's promote the projectile rotation to a variable and make it replicated. And here let's make break transform, and here on the other end make transform, so that we can use the rotation that we already made. Let's get the projectile rotation, put it here. Now let's test and see if it shoots accurately. Now I will shoot at this tank. I will shoot the engine. Well, now it is on fire. Now I will shoot the ammo rack. Now it is destroyed. Previously it was not accurate. I will try to shoot this wall. Well, what happened? We'll shoot again. Okay, now I will shoot also here again. Okay, now let me just try to shoot with the server. I'll shoot this tank far away. Well, the tank is not shooting accurately. Well, let me see why. Let's look here. Well, here we forgot to delete this branch. We go back and test. Start with the server tank. I'll shoot here. It is shooting accurately. Let me shoot the engine. Let me here shoot the ammo rack. It is destroyed. We test with the other tank. Shoot this tank here. Let's hit the ammo rack of the server. Well, we do not have enough negative depression of the gun, but now the projectile is shooting correctly, and I will stop at this time and continue in the next video with the health bar and the health updates of the health bar. also for the ammo and other UI elements. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.